Today, we're tackling a common issue that many iPad users face: getting stuck on the support.apple.com/iPad/restore screen. When your iPad shows the support Apple.com iPad restore message, it typically means your device is in recovery mode. This often happens during a failed update or restore attempt. Let's dive into how we can fix this. The first method is to perform a force restart on your iPad. For iPads with a home button, press and hold both the home and top buttons until you see the Apple logo. Then, your iPad will be in normal state. For iPads without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. If restarting doesn't work, EaseUS MobiXpert can help you exit recovery mode in one click. EaseUS MobiXpert can fix multiple system issues, of course, including iPhone or iPad stuck in recovery mode. Download and install the software through the link in the description below. After the installation, launch EaseUS MobiXpert on your computer. Click System Repair. Enter or exit recovery mode. Exit recovery mode. Connect your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Then, your iPad will restart and get back to the normal state. If you're still facing issues, consider using the standard or deep repair feature in EaseUS MobiXpert. Click System Repair, iOS, iPadOS System Repair. Try Standard Repair first, which will not affect any data on your iPad. Check your iPad model and iPadOS version and click Next to proceed. After the firmware is downloaded and verified, click Repair. Then, your iPad will get out of the recovery mode. The last method is to use iTunes to restore your device. Open iTunes and connect your iPad to your computer. When it detects your device, it will pop up a window saying, "There is a problem with the iPad that requires it to be updated or restored." You can try Update first. Click Update. If Update is not working, you can restore your iPad, which will erase everything on your device if you don't have a backup. Click Restore iPad. Choose Restore and Update. Follow the instructions to restore your iPad to factory settings. Finally, the support Apple.com iPad restore screen will be removed. You can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPad again. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.